Hello everyone, this is Dr. Harish Iyen. I am working at GM University as a assistant professor at Department of Chemistry, which is comes under Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences, School of Chemical and Biological Sciences. Now I'm going to show you how to plot XPS graph using data whichever we have, and we already know about the installation process of the origin software and its usage using a simple and complicated data, which I showed in my previous video. And yes, let me give some time to explain the things. Yes, here is the data. This data is related to the XPS analysis of carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom which is present in that material, that in the form of carbon nanofiber. In that carbon nanofiber, carbon is the leading element. For that reason, we need to know what is the percentage of carbon, and what are the different deconvoluted peaks present in that, and what are the functional groups present in that carbon, which we need to know properly. For that reason, we need to plot a XPS. Here is the carbon related information. We need to copy using a Excel file. Here is the origin software. This is the blank page. We need to click in the first box and we paste the data whichever we copied in the previous Excel file. And this is x-axis and y-axis. We need to select and just click on the line option. Yes, here we are getting the curve. This is related to XPS curve, or XPS result, related to carbon only. See here, here is the disturbance. Okay, some disturbance is observed here. We need to clear this disturbance by smoothing the curve. Just select the curve and go to analysis. Okay, here is the signal processing and smooth. So open dialog. So here are some points too. This is keep it as it is, and 5 is there na, so need to fix for a 10. So click on OK. See the red curve is appeared here. This is smooth as compared to the previous one. Just double tap on the curve whichever we got. Just disable the first thing, means first curve. So just apply and then OK. Yes, this is the smooth curve. Okay, and we need to click on this again. Here is the option straight line and another option. So we need to select Bezier for getting a smooth and proper peaks. Okay, and then we need to fix the width or size of that curve to 4. Yes, now it is okay, and I will give on a solid color. The red is also okay, but we need a different thing. A royal blue I am giving. Yes, now it is looking like a solid one and a high resoluted one. Okay, and now we need to fix these two gaps. For that reason, we need to go to a scale. So here, so 82 is here, 82 is here, and then so here is 83. So I will fix 81 to 83 and 91 to 92. Okay, just click on apply. Yes, everything is fixed. And see the vertical line. So there also there is a gap. That's why. So I will fix it as 100. First I will give 100. Yes, little. So I will give 1000. Yes, so 1050. Yes, so 1250 is okay, I think. Yes, now the curve is properly fixed with the lines, x-axis and y-axis lines. Okay, then click on OK. Now the actual task is begin. So before going to fix the deconvoluted peaks, we need to check the previous literature. Means whatever the peaks a carbon have, that peaks are related to, or that deconvoluted peaks are related to a functional group which is present in that material, that is carbon nanofiber. For that reason, we need to go to the literature. I already survey those things. For that reason, I plotted also. So here are the graphs. Okay, the first one, second one, and third one, fourth one. There are four deconvoluted peaks related to different functional groups. Okay, we need to plot this type of graph in our graph. Means whatever the graph I am presenting here, we need to fix those deconvoluted peaks here. How the things are goes. Okay, that is the important part. We need to select this curve, go to analysis again. Here the peak to baseline, multiple peaks. Okay, multiple peak fit, then open dialog. So everything is fixed as it is, then said okay. Yes, here is fit and open NL fit. So I, as per the previous literature, there are four deconvoluted peaks. So I will fix one here, and second one is here, third one is here, and the fourth one is here. Okay, just fix click on fit, or else open NL fit. Here also we can fit, and here also we can fit. No, most possibly, most probably we need to click on fit to get the proper data. Okay, just I clicked on fit. So everything is fixed here. So you need to click on no, and then said okay. So you need to delete this thing. Okay, here are four peaks, but the pink peak is not necessary. Just disable that thing, say okay, as apply and okay. Yes, these are the four different peaks, but the thing is different. The thickness is very less, that means width is very less. So for that reason I will go to the line. So here I know in a connect option I will set bezier. So just click on apply, and I will give 4 is the width of that line. Yes, it is looking good only. And now we need to give the colors, different colors, to identify which peak is related to which functional group in that carbon material. That is very important. For that reason we need to give a color. Before going to that, we need to fix independent, which is present in a group. So dependent to independent, just click on apply and then okay. Now if you want to select red one, you just click on red one only and go to red one, double click red one. So here is the options. So line, we need a color, means fill area under curve. Here are many options. We need a second one, just apply. Yes, we got a color there, right? And we need to go to the pattern, that is the last option. Here are many colors, means I know many options. Gradient fill, here we need to select two colors. So here is green, and here is I will select one different color, pink. Yes, it is looking good, but I will give yellow. So yellow also looks good. Yes, it is looking great. And same thing we need to do for this curve. So same thing. So fill area under curve. So second option. So apply, and then here is the option, that is pattern. So here is two colors, so individual colors for I am giving pink, and for upper part I am giving this one. So let me check. Yes, this is also good, but I will change this cyan color to this one. Yes, looking good. Say okay, and now go to the blue one. Here same thing, second option, apply, pattern. So here are two colors. So first one color I need to change to red red to yellow. Yes, this is also good only. So and then the last one, so same thing, fill exclusive, and then pattern. So two color na. So I am giving so blue here, and the last color is this one. Yes. So all the four curves are have different color, but the color variation is very thick. For that reason, we need to fix those colors. Again, I will go to the dependent. So line na. So first I will click on apply, okay, and then select all the lines. So just give the color. So group na. So for line color, I will give block to each. Yes, this is looks good. And the background line I will fix to another color, that is no, red. Red is not good. Yes, blue is okay. And we can change the color option. So we need to go to the pattern. Here is the transparency. So you need to, yes, now the colors are looking good. Yes. So just save okay, and we can save this data. Before going to save, we need to give the proper functional groups to each deconvoluted peaks. We need to go to the previous one, that is C1s, 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 and C1s. So this is related to the overall curve, means carbon curve is related to 1s, that is a carbon 1s. So we need to write here, so carbon 1, yes. So I wrote here, and you need to select that thing, and so give 22 to this, and we need a font. So type of the font is Times New Roman. Yes, this is okay. And you need to select that thing again. So here is the first peak, right? So you need to fix, and again you need to copy this thing and paste here. This is related to second, and paste here. This is related to third, and paste here. This is related to fourth one. Okay. So there are four peaks means, so here is the option. See this point, that means 280 x is equal to 284.79. So exactly, and that reason what is the peak we need to see here, that is C single bond C, C single bond C. For that reason we need to type that data here. So C single bond C, this is related to C single bond C, and I think 285.6 is related to C single bond O. So C single bond O, we need to fix that also. C single bond O, yes, this is also fixed here. And C1S, that is related to C double bond O. C double bond O means you need to check the value 287.22. So C double bond O, C double bond O. So this is also fixed, and the last one is RCOH. This indicates the functionalized carbon nanofiber. That means carbon nanofiber is functionalized with acetic acid functional group, that is R COOH. Okay, this is related to binding energy. See, this is related to binding energy in electron volt. So binding energy in electron volt, this is 28 times New Roman and okay. So you need to select this, and this is related to intensity. This is in AU, and here are the values. So these values are not necessary, so for that reason we need to delete this value, and we need to fix this thing, means this parameter here, and we need to click on this that thing. And also here is the option title and format. In this left we don't need anything, that's why it is a none only. And bottom there is a you know uh, values we need to give out and out. So thickness is 3, and major thick length is 10. Just click on apply, and for top there is no line. For that reason we need to enable this thing, and out is converted to none. So 3 and 10. Click on apply, and left is already fixed, but the thing is thickness and major thick length is need to set to 10. So I set, and then the final one, right? So there is no line, means that means we need to enable that thing. So none is already fixed here. So 3 and 10. So just click on OK. Everything is fixed here. Yes. So for this we need to give 24. So the, yes, not this one, times New Roman we need. Font is fixed to Times New Roman. So bold. Yes. So everything is proper here. Yes. Yes. Then we need to save this thing. Before going to save in an image format, we need to save in a origin format. So I already created one origin file data. So I will give it as XPS data file. So here I will give C1s. Okay, then it is saved there, and I need to save this file in a image format. So I will go to image type. There I will select join photographic experts group, that means JPG. So active page, that is same. So this one is C1s, and the file path, and that means location we need to select, that is desktop. So their origin, their XPS, and click on OK. And the last thing is image setting. Here we need to select 1200 and click on OK. So this will take a little time to generate the image. Yes, now the image is generated there. We need to check once. Yes, here is the XPS data that is related to carbon. So thank you everyone for your constant attention during this presentation, and thank you again for your support. Thank you.